fundamentally, you have to be really grounded in scientific basis of medicine, of health and disease. This art of actually being with the patient or communicating deeply with the patient will never go away. It's the fundamental of a good physician. But beyond that, this particular kind of physician that is really not just awesome from a patient point of view, but who understands how to deal with systems and how we can change the world one patient at a time and populations at a time.
To me, the complete physician would be someone who really understands that every patient is a unique person who's coming with a complex set of challenges. I feel like that's one of those things that you have to keep in your heart as a physician, really trying to understand, what are the unique barriers that your patients are going to face when trying to adhere to whatever plan it is that you come up with together.
Our students get exposure to patients in many different social contexts. They gain a much broader understanding about how the healthcare system works and how to be the most effective agents within that healthcare system once they graduate and begin practicing.
There is a strong push for quality improvement work and having the skills and knowledge to really invest in making the healthcare system better as a whole. And I think Geisel's prepared us really well for that. It wasn't just the basic science information that we needed. We're also learning about the healthcare system and how we can impact that through research and through policy.
Very few people on either side of my family have been to college. Medicine was kind of a stretch of the imagination for us. One of the things that appealed to me most about Geisel was the fact that we put so much emphasis on underserved communities. One of the great things about medicine is we can be advocates for people who are suffering from inequities and inequalities in health.
We're taught at Dartmouth, not to just see problems, but to see how the systems of things working together create environments where you can't always provide the best care possible. A core part of our calling as physicians whose job is to heal, we have to address the things in society which are actively doing harm or damage to others. For me, that grounding sort of started here at Dartmouth.
Our students come in truly with this social responsibility and the desire to make a difference. That willingness to go the extra mile, to have the courage of convictions in order to persist when one sees something that needs to be changed. And that's what we are actually seeing. That's what gratifies educators at Geisel, is to see students who go out and translate that knowledge, and it explodes.